What is up? Rover here with you today again. And as you can see right here, there is a new promo that will be starting soon. I won't be able to do it though, because I'll be out of school. But that doesn't mean that I can't do a pack opening before I go to school. You know what I mean? So we got all these packs. And we're just gonna start with the pro pack, because you never know what you can get. Oh my gosh. Right off the bat, an 86 Westbrook? What the heck? Can we go back to back on pro packs? Let's see. Nope. What a pull on our first pro pack. We get a Westbrook. What were the chances? Well, we made our money back on those pro packs. Ooh, a Kyle Lowry, nice pull. So for every 2 campus packs, we'll do 1 team of the week pack. See if we can get an elite campus hero. We should. I mean, we have 10 of these. Am I right? Pew. Ian Mahanami. That's a new one, I think. Here we get Marcus Aldridge. Okay, that was a pretty good pack. Glenn Robinson III. Who else? Oh! Let's go. That's another elite right there. Draymond Green. Let's see if the team of the week can top that. Oh! Oh my gosh. And they do. Bro. I just got the Wilson Chandler needed for that Elfrid Payton set. Nice. Nice. Wait a sec. 1, 2. Yep, okay. Yep, let's keep going. Bro, we're pulling fire. Aw. Now they're getting stingy. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh. Then we get a Marcus Morris. Are you serious? Back to back on the team of the week. That's incredible. Campus hero packs are kind of dry. We haven't got one elite campus hero yet. Can they go back to back elites? Oh, that would have been awesome. But look, we got campus hero and a team of the week out of that, so that's pretty nice. What will we get? Gordon Hayward. That's almost an elite, but not quite. Nice campus hero pack. And this bundle cost me about $400K. And we don't come up with 1 elite. That's pretty sad. This one cost me a bit less, probably $200K. Oh my god. Bro. 3 out of the 5 packs were elites. Team of the weeks. That's pretty lit. Good grief. Let's see how close we are to getting that Elfrid Payton. Oh yeah, and I already have the 83 overalls. And with that, I need 4 of the 64 things. I get an elite one of Patrick Ewing or Steph Curry, because I have their 83 cards. I'm not sure though, so I may be wrong. But anyways, let's go to the sets where we were. And yeah, right there. We might be able to get the hero of the month, even though we don't know who it is. Alright. I'm saving that Kyle Korver. He goes for a lot. Jeez, all I need is the play of the week and week 20 hero. Let's see if we can't buy it now. So let's go to auctions. Look at all these players for $1 mil. 95 3-pointer. Alright, anyways. Let's see. Team of the week. Collectibles. See if there's even any week 20 heroes. So far, I don't see any. I see a lot of week 19. Oh, here's some 20s. If we got that for 700, man, 725. Should I get this? And then all I need is play of the week. But that's a lot. How much is Alfred Payton going for? Payton. Type leads. Okay, no one even has them. Okay. Then all this, let's see. Let's get it. Look at that, guys. And one day we're almost done. We just need one more. And that's the play of the week, and that's the easiest to get. Well, that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. And see you in the next one.